Hi everyone, I'm so delighted to have you here again. Today I'll be sharing how I prepare ukwa, one of the most treasured delicacies in Igbo land. Join me, let's create some magic again. Here we have about 8 cups of ukwa that has been peeled and thoroughly cleaned. I'm going to pre-cook it in a pressure cooker to tenderize it in order to reduce the cooking time. If you don't have a pressure cooker, feel free to cook it in an ordinary pot from the start. The cooking time will be a lot longer. You can add some potash to help it get soft faster. The ukwa has been pre-cooked and transferred into the cooking pot. Add 1 cup of stockfish flakes. I soaked them in water overnight. Then add 1 cup washed smoked shrimps. Add some water to cover. And bring to a boil. Allow it to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes or until the ukwa is very, very soft. Now add 1 tablespoon coarsely blended pepper, 1 tablet stock cube, 1 teaspoon salt, half cup of palm oil, add a little bit of water if you feel like it needs some water. Cover and allow it to cook for another 10 minutes. Now add half cup chopped onions, 1 cup sweet corn. You can use cooked corn. Allow to cook for an extra 3 to 5 minutes. Then stir very well and serve. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and turn on post notification so you never miss a video when I upload. Please let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this or when you do try it. There you have it, delicious ukwa, another recipe from my kitchen to yours. Thank you for watching again today. Bye.